Hump day hack. It's raining sideways. And everybody nowadays, you got the new boats, got the fancy plug-in where you charge your batteries. It's coming a lightning storm. Don't leave your boat plugged in. Now there's plenty of safety factors, ground faults, the charging system and all that. Don't trust it. Lithium batteries are expensive. That's what I have. Doesn't matter what kind of battery you have. You don't want lightning hitting your house or anywhere near it and running in on anything like this. Now go fish.